Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about the what is the meaning of public relation, what is the definitions. We are giving so many definitions are giving to PR. PR means public relations. What is the nature of PR? What is the objectives of PR? We already discussed in previous class. Today, we are discussing about the public relation historical background, principles of PR. Public relation historical background. Historical background means in previous days. What type of public relations in the society? That is, we are today to discuss the background of the PR. Okay? First of all, I will tell you, public relation is an important element in the promotion mix. Why? Because in promotion, we are giving advertisements, and also we are one product advertisement we are giving to promotion. That is the main element, important element in public relation. That is the promotion mix. That is the main element. Public relation is the main element of the promotional mix. Any product, any service also, not in the product, service also. Why? Because we are in whole paper we are discussing about the mass media, advertising, like that. In marketing side, that is another view of public relation. The next, in the era of globalization, the most of multinational companies make efforts to manage and maintain to relationship with its customers. That is very important. In era, the globalization in the world, that time the multinational companies to move forward to relationship with our customers. Why? We are promotion to in our product, in our service, in our institution growth. That's why the multinational companies make effort to maintain, manage and maintain that level. That is the maintain this level. We are growth, but we are this level we are maintain, and also we developing to here. Like that, we have to maintain relationship with our customer. That is the main thing. The PR focus on A, B, C. What is the meaning of A, B, C? Already in previous class, I will tell you about the A, B, C. A means audience. B means big picture. C means communication. We are, the A is audience. In audience, we are reach to audience mindset, ideology. That is the very important in the PR, public relation. Audience to reach to our mindset. We have to reach the public mindset and promotion. That is the main thing, the A. B means big picture. We have some institutions, any details, some little details, that is to more focus on the big picture. We have a small details to for any public relations survey, any details we have a small, but we have to big picture of that product. That is the main thing of the PR. And also communication. Communication, that is very important. That is the two-way communication. Like that, we have to focus on the in our organization or any institution or any company, and also to public, to reach the public, any spread of information, to reach the public very clearly. Small, a lot of important matter to conclude, to spread the information clearly. That is the very important. Communication is not like essay type. We have to one word or two words, any word, but we have to reach our public mindset. We have to communicate. We have to information spreading in society, in our public. That's why the PR more focus the A, B, C. A means audience, B means big picture, C means communication. That is the, we have to maintain that to release and spread of information between individual or an organization. You understood, girls? What is PR means? The PR is focus on the ABC. Audience mindset and big picture. What is the information? We have to big picture like that. That big picture and communication. You have to see in television, we have so many ads. In ads, we have to promote the one small product. But we have a big advertisement. Why? Because that is the promotion of the product. Like that, we have a big picture and what matter we spread to society, we spread to public, that is the communication process. Okay. The next one, PR involves. PR involves. What PR involves? What is the main involves in public relation? The two-way communication process between organization and its public. That is very important, girls. The PR means public relations, involves in two-way communication. The process between organization and the public. That is the first involved in public. The next one, the communication process change the mindset of public. That is the two main things involved in PR. Public relations, not like that. We have to spread of information, not like that. We have to two-way communication. That communication process is change the mindset of the public. That's why the PR involves in the public mindset, to change the mindset, and also to between two organization and public. That is very important. The next is progressive levels. PR progressive levels, the main is 3 A's. 3 A's means awareness, acceptance, action. Awareness, acceptance, action. That is the 3 levels of the PR, the progressive levels. Why? Because the first A was awareness. Awareness means message should reach the public. That is the first thing, small thing only. The message should reach the public. That is the awareness of the any product, any service. That is the first level, progressive level. The next one was acceptance. Acceptance means the public should agree with the message. Next one was the public should agree with message. We are giving one message for your college students. Your college timings 9 to 4. 9 to 4. You did not go to any afternoon to 12 o'clock. We leave the college. Not like that. We are giving to the message. That is the awareness we are giving. But the students also should agree with the message. That is the acceptance. The students also agree with the message. Why? Because the students are in the campus 9 to 4. That is the acceptance to the students. That is. Next, action. Action means public acts accordingly. The public acts according means that is the students are to be here in the campus 9 to 4. But some students, so last hour, they are free hour, they are going to home. That is the public acts accordingly. That means we have a progressive levels 3 A's. Means awareness, acceptance, That is the 3 level. What should? We have to reach the public, and public should agree the message, and public act accordingly. Act according means that our opinion. My opinion is I am in the campus 9 to 4 till. But another student opinion is we have a no lost our class. No, I will left the college in 3 o'clock. That is public acts accordingly. That is the example of the college students. Okay. This is the progressive levels of 3 A's. 3 A's means you understood? Awareness, acceptance, action. Okay. The next is purpose of PR. Why we are using public relations? Why we are doing public in historical background, in history in ancient times also we are using public relations. I will tell you later. The purpose of PR is to educate audience the advantage of the service. First we will educate to audience. Why? Because we have audience means public. Public we educated what is the advantage of service. We have so many services. In customer care services, any telephone services, we have to educate the audience. We have to educate the public. We have a customer care. We have a 108. We call the 108 the ambulance is coming to you. That is services. We educated the people. That's why the advantage of service and educate the people is purpose of PR. Okay. Next, to promote goodwill of organization. To promote goodwill of organization in any government. For example, in any government, to introduce any policy to service the public, we have to promote the goodwill of the organization, the goodwill of the government, like that. The Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu to introduce Raitu Bharosa or Amma Badi. These policies are to service the who are the family income, very poor income, like that. We have to give in to the more services to provide to Amma Badi. Amount of the 15,000 rupees for every year per child, any boy or girl, like that. In Raitu Bharosa also, Raitu Bharosa also to our farmers to give in to the motivation for the cultivation, like that. We have to promote the goodwill of organization. That is also PR. Any not like only not organization, institutions. We have include to government issues and government policies. What are the government policies are doing? What type of policies are very high survey statistics survey is given to the this policy is very good, very useful to our public, like that. We have to goodwill of organization. That is also very important. Next, purpose to create the maintain, protect and build reputation of organization. That is also very important, girls. Why? Because we have an organization, very goodwill organization and good name, very developing industry, like that. We have so many, but we maintain and protect to build reputation. We are not losing our reputation for any organization. We have to maintain. Maintain means sustain. Sustainability is very important. In PR also, we have to create, maintain and protect to build to our reputation of the organization. That is the main 3 things of the purpose of PR. To educate the audience and promote the goodwills, and also to create, maintain, protect to the our organization reputation. That is the main purpose of the PR. Okay. Next, we are going to the history background of the PR. In previous days, in ancient days, what we are doing in the PR, public relation, what type of public relations we are doing. In 1776, Thomas Paine, master of political propaganda, the master of political propaganda, Thomas Paine, he is given to the people do and believe in things. That is the public relation. People do so many things that people do, but and believe things. What we are doing, they have to believe. They shall believe to our things. That is the main given to the PR Thomas Paine. That is the people do and believe in things. PR is not only public information, spreading information, explanation, not like that. We have to in 17th century, people do and believe in things. That is the main thing. The master political propaganda is given to the small definition, small slogan to the PR. And 1903, John is given to PR become a profession. Public relation is become to profession. Profession means public relation officer as a systematic professional. Why? Because any product, any service that is spreading to mutual, the strategic communication to build mutually beneficial relation between organization and public. That is the strategic communication who given to the public? The public relation officer. That's why the John given to the public relation became a profession. That is the best profession. And 1918, PR took next step towards professionalization. That is given Edward Bernays. Edward Bernays is the father of public relation. Edward Bernays is the father of public relation. He is become a president of Czechoslovakia. He has announced the president of the Czechoslovakia on Monday. They getting the independence on Monday. Then Sunday he covered to the all message to in mass media. That is the credits given to the Edward Bernays, the father of PR. That person, PR took next step towards professionalization. Next step means in previous days we have a propaganda, we have to believe the people like that. But the next 19th century, the next step towards professionalization. Professionalization means the society, the all society is become a PR is professionalization. Edward Bernays is given to the public relations. The next one, evaluation of the PR. That is very important. Why? Because we have to, in a historical background, what method they are using. That is the evaluation of the PR. In BC centuries, in Ramayana, the Ramayana Bhadra used to Rama's administration, what policies, what ideology, what people feelings in Rama's administration to getting to the report of the Bhadra. That is the main thing. In Ramayana, the Bhadra used to report to the public feelings, what public they wanted to more policies in that area. Like that, the Rama is what is the main idea of the main feelings of the Rama's administration. That time in that olden ages also we are using public relations. The report means the Bhadra is going to visit to the all Gramas to visit what feelings, the people feelings of the Rama's administration. రాముడు ఎలా పరిపాలన చేస్తున్నాడు అన్నటువంటి విషయాలన్నింటినీ రిపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చారు. అంటే those days also we are using that public relations. The next is the religious leaders, Buddha and Shankaracharya, Adi Shankaracharya. They are good communicators to spread of Buddhism and Hinduism. Like that we have to the communicators. Communicators means the PR main involves in the communication. That time the religious leaders also Buddha and Shankaracharya are examples. They are also to spread of our Hinduism, Buddhism in India. Like that we religious leaders also. And King Ashoka, the Mauryan dynasty, the King Ashoka is also to spread the information to spread of the Buddhism. Our children used to our children, their children, Ashoka children used to preach the Buddhism to send back to the Sri Lanka. That is the first female PR in those days, Sangamitra. Sangamitra is the Ashoka's daughter. Like that, those days also we have to, we are doing in PR, public relations. The Sangamitra is the first female PR, the public relation officer. Why? He is spread of Buddhism. We North India and South India, we have to so many. In Ashoka, the second Buddha, like second Buddha, he is to establish so many stupas in Buddhism. That time we have to preach the Buddhism to send our daughter in Sri Lanka. In Agneya Asian countries, we have to send to the, that's why the Sangamitra is the first female PR, okay, in those days. And also Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, in before independence, we have to succeed the bringing all the public to freedom of the our independent India. That is also PR. Public relations means not only for the spreading the information, but this propaganda to our nationalism spread to our society. The Mahatma Gandhi is also to those days in 19th century they become a PR. And also the systematic practice of PR. The systematic practice of PR is the first beginning they started to the Indian Railways in 1920. In 1920, the railways are beginning to the public relations. The first successful systematic. What they railways want to do? To rail exhibitions, festivals and offers. What they are doing to the in India and England also. 19th century, 1920, they started to the first railways to practice of the PR. That is the why? Because to attract the tourist. To attract the tourist, the Indian Railways 1920th he started the practice of PR. This is the practice, systematic practice and historical background of the PR. We have some examples, evaluation examples of PR. That is the Ramayana, religious leaders, King Ashoka, Mahatma Gandhi and Indian Railways. Okay, these are the examples. Next, functions of PR. What is the main functions of the PR? What we do, that only the PR, public relations to spread the public. That is the main thing. That's why the community relations, that is the first thing, consulting, contribution programs, customer relations, internal communication, investor relations, media relation, service publicity, service or product, any though product or service publicity, publications, digital communication. These are the functions of PR. Community relations. Community relations mean we group of people to reach the community and developing processing of the relations between public and organization. That is the community relations. What process we are developing, which area, certain area we took to certain area, we developing that area. That is the community relations is the also the first function of the public relations. And consulting means which area we are developing, which certain we took to the one area to consult the public, to survey of the public, so opinions of the public. That time only we developing that area. What type of service only we are providing, any services, any product service or service, we have to consulting the people, which group people are avoiding our product or our service, what is their opinions, to survey them. Statistics method, we survey to the what people are doing to the, we are not agree, what people are agree. We have to survey them and that area, to consulting that area we are developing. That is also very important. And contribution programs. Contribution is very important. We are developing one organization, any company, we have a donations. Which type of donation? Private or political leaders or government? What contribution given to the developing the organization? The contribution programs also we are maintained. Why? Because we have a fest, college fests also there. In college fest every year we have to contribute sponsorship. Why we are asking sponsorship? We have a money to organize the whole day program, and also that contribution, that money, remaining money, we have to the poor people, or pay the fees for poor children, poor students, or any AIDS people. Like that we have to spend some money. We have to spend some money to organize the fest, and also remaining the money, the sponsorship remaining the money we spend to the poor people or poor students, we have to pay the fees. Like that we have to, any program, the contribution is very important. That is also to remind the function of the PR. And customer relations. Customer relations is very important. One product, why they are not buying that product? We have to move to the customer. We went to the door-to-door customer type. We have some products we have to door-to-door also in public relations. Some products we have to, like that in customer relation. Customer relation is very important. Very politely, the relationship, not argue with, nor argue to customers. We have to tell them what truthfulness of our product. That's all. That is the main thing. That is the relation between customer and PR. And internal communication. Internal communication means who are the PR of any organization. We have to maintain the reputation of the organization. We have to encouragement of the PR, the awards, and what type of motivation classes, and also conferences, workshops, like that we have to improvement of the PR, and also encouragement of the PR. We have to give into the awards and some money and some holidays, like that we have to the internal communication. Internal communication means in the organization we have so many PR officers are there. We have to one conference, one workshop. what methods what strategy we are using in communication, what methods we are reaching the community. Like we have to organize the workshop and motivation of the PRs, that is the internal communication. And investor relations also. Investor means the financial department and dealers. So many people are there in the one organization. We have to maintain the investor relations also. Sometimes we are developing to our product, the money is increased, but sometimes we have a loss also. That time we have to relation between the investor and the investor. Okay, the media relation. Media relation is very important. Why? Because the media is the one of the advertising more of the our product. Any media, the television or social media, networking, anything. The media is very important. That relation we maintain to the PR. What advertisement we are giving to the media? What type of advertisement we are giving? Like that we have to interact to the mass media. And also product publicity, the product or service publicity. Publicity means we have to brochures and posters, we have to maintain that type of the publicity to advertising the product, advertising the